In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make more sales on WhatsApp using WhatsApp TV. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can gain access to over 30 profitable WhatsApp TV brands that you can use. But before then, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 major reasons why you should advertise with WhatsApp TV. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead right now and subscribe and turn on all your notification bells so that I can get more amazing videos from this. And to you, my returning viewer, thank you so much for helping me to get to 1,000 subscribers and always liking my videos, which is making it to reach more people. Number 1 reason why you need to use WhatsApp TV brands for your advert. Number 1 is that you are leveraging on the person's personal brand authority. Okay, so let's say, for example, Emeka Nobis, which is one of the people in the book that you'll be getting access to if you eventually get access to it. He has over 3,000 WhatsApp status viewers in every 24 hours. And he has over 63,000 followers on Facebook. So you see, whenever you advertise on his status, what is being done is that a portion of the authority he has built online is being transferred to you. For example, the people that see the advert on his status, it automatically means you are genuine. Do you get it now? So, because they know for him to accept that kind of advice, he has checked who you are and found out that what you are selling is genuine. Okay, so that's one of the major reasons you should use WhatsApp TV brand. A time came when I advertised the product on Emmanuel Abbie's status. Alright? Because of the influence, because of how he has branded himself on WhatsApp and on the digital space, I got several leads from his status, and they were paying for the product for my WhatsApp automation course. As of that time, they paid for it in massive number. All right, so that's one of the importance of using a WhatsApp TV brand. Number 2 reason why you should use WhatsApp TV is quality leads. All right, so if you're conversant with running Facebook advert, you will notice that when you generate an advert on Facebook, let's say you generate leads, about 500 people on a particular ad creative that you did, you will just notice that maybe more than half of them are let's just click the advert and see what this person is talking about. After everything, you will see that the conversion rate of that advert is very low, because the people that are seeing your advert probably are seeing it for the first time. They are doubting if you are genuine, and several other factors that limits people when they are running Facebook ad. But when you are using a WhatsApp TV brand, for example, my friend Esther Odewingi, she has over 1,500 status views, and the people on her status are those who have purchased a product from her. Do you get it now? So what you use in knowing quality lead are those who are capable of purchasing whatever you are selling. They have that purchasing power. When you use WhatsApp TVs, you are getting access to people that have purchasing power, people who have made purchases of other people's courses, because those people that have that WhatsApp TV, especially the entrepreneurs, they themselves, they sell on their status, they sell to their audience. For example, me, myself, I have over 1,000 status viewers. More than 80% of those who are viewing my status, I have sold one product or the other to them. I've sold WhatsApp marketing course, graphic design, video editing, YouTube course to my audience. Okay, and I have a whole lot of group and broadcast lists. Do you get it now? So the quality of the leads on WhatsApp is top notch. Okay, that's one of the reasons you should use WhatsApp TV. Not just any kind of WhatsApp TV, but influencers that are into entrepreneurship, if you are a business kind of person. Then the 3rd reason why you should use WhatsApp status is there is always high rate of conversion. All right, due to the other factors I've told you about, the conversion rate is always high. Recently I ran adverts for one of my coaches on a videography course. I made a sale of more than 30 people for that particular course, a course of about 3,000 naira. More than 30 people bought directly from me, and about 20 more people went behind my back, just click on the link, but they don't want me to know, and still bought that the same course. All right. The conversion rate on WhatsApp status TV brands is very high. Esther Odewingi, Emeka Nobis, Brother Dapo, and many of them, they have profitable audience, people who are ready to buy whatever you are selling. The reason why there is high rate of conversion is because these people, they are into personal development. They are always training their audience through the kind of content they produce. All right. So those people, they engage in content marketing on their status. So that is the gain. You don't need to come and start doing all of those processes again, because a professional WhatsApp TV brand gives out quality content that will make people ready to buy whatever their advertisers are advertising on their status. So here is a video by a WhatsApp marketer. She created an ebook where she talked about WhatsApp marketing, and she's giving you access to over 100 WhatsApp TVs that you can use for advert, and over 30 WhatsApp influencers. These are people into the entrepreneurship space on WhatsApp, and they have large audience. All right, hear what she has to say.
Hi guys, my name is Abbie Akande. I'm popularly called the Green App Queen, as I'm best known for help you get productive results using WhatsApp. So recently I launched this book called The Best WhatsApp TV List and the WhatsApp Nano Influencers Directory. Actually, this project took me about 5 months to work on. Let me let you know first what this book is about. Now, you see, I got messages from people, like several messages from people asking me if I know any WhatsApp TV I can recommend, because of I'm in the WhatsApp niche, and you know, people see me as their go-to person when they have issues on WhatsApp. So you see, I get lots of DM from people requesting me to recommend WhatsApp TVs they can use and get results. If you are just starting out, most especially, and you just have your family and friends on your contact list, and you're looking for a traffic source to get audience, I'd recommend you use WhatsApp TVs and WhatsApp influencers. Now, who are these WhatsApp TVs? These guys are taking time to thoroughly grow their audience. Like, they've grown their audience massively. Some of them has as much as 10,000 views on their WhatsApp status. Because I've had like affiliate marketers, I've had digital marketers like Emeka Nobis, who has, you know, I've recommended WhatsApp TVs to, and has used to get like massive results. I've even gotten like a copywriter. I don't know if you know Esther Odewingi. I totally blunder her surname each time I mention it. And yes, I've also had a dropshipper who has used these WhatsApp TVs and gotten results. And WhatsApp TVs are quite different from WhatsApp influencers. You see, these influencers, they are like the regular influencers you meet on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok. So it is on WhatsApp too. So these WhatsApp influencers has their own businesses they run. But the difference is they've been able to make themselves an authority in a way that when they put out content on WhatsApp, people just respond to them. And so you can leverage. You see, you can leverage on their audience to reach as much people as you want to. If you have less followers, best thing for you to do is to leverage on other people's audience. And you know how difficult it can be if you want to start going to search for WhatsApp TVs yourself. First, it's not just about searching for the TV. It's about searching for genuine ones. There are those who are scams. Yes, there are people who has placed an identity like their TV is why they are scam, and you pay them to advertise for you. They run away with your money, block you. I don't know if you've experienced that kind of thing. So it's not just about willing to want to advertise with these guys. It's about finding genuine ones. And that's why I've put together 30 verified WhatsApp influencers that you can advertise with. In the WhatsApp TV list, you get 103 best WhatsApp TVs you can advertise with. And in the WhatsApp Nano Influencer Directory list, you get 30 verified WhatsApp influencers you can advertise with. I know a lady that sells honey. She used the WhatsApp influencers. The first time she got 194 leads. Then the second time she got 320 something leads. So your best bet to getting huge traffic, and getting the kind of results you want is using WhatsApp TVs or using WhatsApp influencers.
Okay, so I hope you heard her. If you want to gain access to her ebook, there is a link in the description below. Click on that link. You are going to come to my WhatsApp. It will be an honor to have you in my WhatsApp community. Once you click on the link in the description below, WhatsApp Nano Influencers, to lead you to my WhatsApp, and you are going to gain access to the book itself, and you begin to make more sales as you advertise on WhatsApp. Until then, see you next time.